Students, on your request, I explained the poem If, composed by Rudyard Kipling in Hindi, but now I will do it in English. Now the poem will be very easy to you. You have understood it in your own mother tongue Hindi. When I will explain it in English, you will grasp it well. The title of the poem is very short, just a word, if. Now the poem begins. When you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs. Means, suppose it is a very terrible situation, a natural calamity, a social crisis, or anything like it. In such a situation, the people begin to be panicked. They don't know what to do. They are at a loss. But even in such a situation, you should be stern like a steel, and you have to keep your head when all others are losing their senses. Now, blaming it on you. Suppose that all of them, all the people who are panicked, are blaming on you for it. Even then, you have to keep your head. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, there is another thing. Suppose all men who are around you are doubting you, what you are thinking, what you are doing. All men are doubting in your work, in your thought, but you have to keep faith on yourself. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting is a quality. The power of waiting is a quality. You can take an example on the present situation, this lockdown situation. People are being restless in this lockdown. They are waiting when this lockdown will end. They cannot wait. But in such a situation, you have to power to wait when all men who are around you are being tired by waiting or being lied about. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, it may be that all the men will be speaking about you that you are a liar. You are being lied. Don't deal in lie. Even then, you have not to deal in lie. You have not to deal in lie. You cannot trust in lie. When all of them are calling you a liar, and they are proving you a liar, or being lied about you, or being hated. If the world hates you, all men hate you. Don't give way to hating. But you have not to give way to hating. You have to hate the hatred. And yet don't look too good. If these qualities are in you, you possess all these qualities, you have not to feel better than people around you. You have not to look better than all the people, not talk too wise, and you have not to talk much about your deed. The second stanza, if you can dream and not make dream your master. Dreaming is very good thing. Great works come in dream first of all. Dream is a quality. Great works are done on account of dreams, great dreams. But dream should not be the aim. It should be a means. Dream, you have not to make dream your master. Only dream will not do. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you have the quality of thinking, very good. It is a very good quality. Everyone must think, but thinking should not be the goal. The thoughts should be executed in works. If you can meet with triumph and disaster, triumph means success, and disaster, triumph means winning, that is success, and disaster means your defeat. If you can meet with triumph and disaster, if you are successful, and on the second hand you are also unsuccessful, treat both those two impostors, not believable man, unbelievable man. These two things are unbelievable things. So you have not to boast on your triumph, or you have not to be sorry about the disaster. You have to deal both the things in the same way. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves, think that what you speak, what your statements has been twisted by others, and you are being cheated. Your statement is being cheated by the knaves. Knaves are fools, to make a trap for fools. This will be a trap for other people. What you have spoken, the statement, your statement is twisted by others. You have to bear this thing and or watch the things you gave your life, and watch the things you gave your life broken. And you can see that what you have gained up till now has been just lost. Your built buildings have been broken. Your attainments have been lost. And stoop and build them up. You have to build them even then again with worn out tools. The worn out tools, the old tools you have to use, and you have to make those things again. Now I will do the next two stanzas next day.